Right, I've just come outside to grab a beer out of the garage. It's getting on for midnight or something, yeah. Apart from that drone that's just below the moon down there, which you won't be able to see on this camera because it's not good enough, and they know that. Apart from that, listen to this. I think this is the phone line. Put the light back on. Can you hear that? What's coming through there? Why is it doing that? Sounds like a fucking Geiger counter or something. Oh, it's just stopped. Isn't that amazing? It's just stopped while the drone's up there watching. And you just heard it stop. Can you hear that? What's coming through there? Why is it doing that? Sounds like a fucking Geiger counter or something. Oh, it's just stopped. Isn't that amazing? It's just stopped while the drone's up there watching. What the fuck is going on? You ain't messing with my head, you know. You ain't messing with my head. It's not happening. Yeah. We're winning. You're losing. Yeah. The fuse burns. Fuse burns for you lot. You fucking inbred, stupid pieces of shit. In a bit.